Hi beautiful people, thank you for tuning in. My name is Lucy and today I am outside. I'm gonna show you what Berberis Darwinii looks like, and you can see these wonderful berries. Let's have a closer look. You can see the leaves are really small and they look a little bit like holly. And these wonderful grapes are edible. They are really tart, so they are good in jelly or jams or any sort of drinks. And I'm gonna bake muffins today. I've got red currants and black currants from my garden, and I think I will try to put a few of these there with some infused honey, lilac infused honey. So I'm gonna see. This is first time harvesting this, and I didn't know these are edible. They've got a wonderful sort of orange flowers. So next sort of springtime I will try to show you, and they are also edible. So you can see the leaves, and I will also show you Mahonia, what Mahonia leaves look like. They are much bigger, and Mahonia grapes, they are much more oval. Unfortunately we are late for the Mahonia grape, so I won't be able to show you, but I will show you the difference. And you can see the difference. This is Mahonia. It has got much bigger leaves. Unfortunately we are late, so the nice grapes already gone, so unfortunately I can't show you this. But this is Mahonia, and the berries are also edible, but they are also tart, so they are good in jams or something like that. So I've got Mahonia leaves in my hand, and you can see, as I said, they are much bigger with a different shape. So this is how you can recognize this. So you can see this next to each other. I hope it will help. And let me taste the wonderful berry. I wonder how tart it is. Yes, it is definitely tart. But I think it will be nice addition, something different. And these sort of shrubs, you can find them in cities a lot, so have a look. You never know. And I am glad I find about this edibility, because I saw the lovely flowers this year, but I didn't know what they were. So next year I am ready to taste the lovely flowers as well. So watch out, I am in wonderful park, and you might find it in front of your house, you never know. So have your eyes peeled for this lovely berry. Okay, I am back from my travels, and I will show you the difference again. And I've got here £1 coin, just for comparison. You can see how big the leaves are. Obviously with Mahonia the leaves are much bigger. With Berberis Darwinii they are really small. So let's have a look a bit closer. We've got the lovely tart berries here. And this is Berberis Darwinii, or Darwin's Barberry. And here we've got Mahonia. As I said, unfortunately, I was late, so we can't see the grapes. This is the only thing which left from there. And you can see with Mahonia, the leaves are much bigger. You can see the £1 coin. And here, it's really, really smaller. And be careful, both of them are really prickly. So when you get these lovely berries, just watch out because it's sharp and it has got tiny thorns. And here we've got the lovely Berberis Darwinii. Wonderful stuff. And as I said before, you can use this lovely Berberis Darwinii in jams, in jellies. You can make a wonderful drink. Obviously, you need to put either sugar or some honey because they are quite tart. And what I'm thinking to do, I've done some fermented honey with red currants and black currants from my garden. You can see this in the link above, and I am thinking maybe I will do some fermented honey with these. You can do some fruit leathers. I would suggest to pair it with some really sweet fruit or add some honey into it. And I am also thinking to make some muffins. I've got still some red currants and black currants from my garden, and I will use a bit of the berries there, and then I will of course put some infused honey. I've got some lilac infused honey. So I hope you can tell the difference. I am really pleased I find out this lovely shrub is edible. And again, you can see Mahonia. You can use Mahonia grapes in the same way. Okay, that's it. So I hope you can recognize Darwin's Barberry by now. And let me know in the comments below what sort of recipe are you going to try. I am really curious to know, and what else you do with these lovely berries packed with vitamin C. I hope you find it useful. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe now if you haven't done so, share with your friends and family, spread some love, leave me some comments, and thank you so much for watching. Stay amazing. From my heart to your heart. Bye until next time.